Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and wanted to talk about the Bing Chat AI a little more. Some people are playing with it. Some people are kind of interested in seeing what it can do. I want to talk about one feature that I find very interesting about it. So, if you, of course, go to your Bing Chat AI, you will see that there's one of the features, and it's kind of a very cool feature. So, for example, you can ask the chat AI to create pictures for you. An example, let's say that I want to create a picture of, and I don't know. Let's ask it to do a landscape, a picture of a landscape of flowers. So what you do is you say create a picture of a flower landscape, and you press enter, and it's going to tell you create a picture. It's going to say okay. It's going to start thinking, and then it says I'll try to create that for you, and it shows this, and it's generating a picture as you are actually looking at it. Once the picture is created, it'll show up and it'll give you either one or several pictures of what it could look like. So here we go. So we've got one picture here. So this is one of the pictured landscape. You can actually use it if you want. This is kind of very beautiful here. A flower landscape. That's very, very, very nice when you look at it. And it's just actually amazing. Powered by DALL-E. So this is very, very cool. So you can actually create a picture of what you want. Let's say create a picture of aliens on Jupiter. Let's see how it can do that. Creating a picture of aliens on Jupiter. I'll try to create that. I wonder what it's going to come up with. This is going to be very interesting to see. I don't know exactly how it's actually working. I suspect that it's maybe looking at online pictures and inspiring itself from that. Oh, look at that. Aliens on Jupiter. Here we go. We've got aliens on Jupiter. This is kind of very, very cool. It's not, it's a planet. I can't really brush and say, well, it's Jupiter, but yeah, okay. This is very, very nice. Okay. Create a picture of mountains and blue sky. So that's whoops. I said mountains. I don't know what it's going to do with that. I didn't say mountains, but it's just crazy. And you can actually, it gives you possibilities here. So it's going to say you can add a rainbow to the picture, or add sun to the picture, or add a river to the picture. This is very, very cool. You can ask it to add stuff. So it understood what I wanted is mountains. So for example, let's ask, add a rainbow to the picture. So I'm going to click here, add a rainbow to the picture. And so it's going to take that same picture set that we have here, and it's supposed to put rainbows somewhere on it. And let's see where we are at. We'll probably be able to compare. So the old one, the brand new one's going to come out here. Interesting. Here we go. Kind of a rainbow effect in it right here at the top. Look at that. This is cool. It's not the same picture, though. It recreated new pictures from what I see. But definitely impressive. Create a picture of a sleeping cat. People like cat videos. There's going to be a cat video ending. Create a picture of a sleeping cat. I think this is a lot of fun to play with, honestly. And if there's one thing that you could try, and you can keep these pictures once they're created, you can right click and save image. So you can save these pictures to your computer. Here we go, sleeping cat. Look at that. That's nice. Look at that, beautiful. Wow. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. But it definitely is probably taking pictures somewhere, or I'm very, very interested made with the Bing Image Creator. This is very, very interesting. So play around with that. Ask it to create pictures. I think it's a lot of fun to play with. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.